Not easy one-handed. Oh, now we're going. Is this one of these bottomless pits you want me to go through?
I think I hydraulic locked it.
Right.
It went right under, stalled.
But listen here, Ewan. Go on, do it again. Ah! Nothing. Was it deep?
I paid $1.
There goes Billy goes. Oh, Billy go. Oh dear. Just gotta get over there into the snow.
Come on, Charlie!
Hey, Charlie!
Come on, lad, give it some. 1,000 miles to go. Keep it close 10 minutes. Grease it rough, grease it rough. This is rather embarrassing. Chains off! Chains off! Way!